Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix mouse wheel controlling volume in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the bottom search bar, please type for mouse settings. Once you have typed that, please proceed with the best match and go with open to continue and wait until you are being redirected to the mouse settings window. Once you are here, you would be able to see a list of the options and you need to go with your related settings where it has these three options which are additional mouse settings which contains pointer icons and visibility, mouse pointer which contains the pointer size and color, and multiple displays which you can change how the cursor moves over display boundaries. Proceed with this additional mouse settings, place at the first and aligning to that you would be able to see an arrow icon. Click on it, and the mouse properties window would appear the moment you have clicked it. So it consists different options where here you need to go with hardware, place at the fourth, and you need to select your mouse adapter. Okay. So let's say for example this is your mouse adapter. Please go with properties. Okay. And in this properties window, proceed with driver and go with uninstall device. So before confirm your action to uninstall device, make sure that this box attempt to remove the driver for this device is unchecked and go with uninstall. Don't worry because the moment you have the click on uninstall, yes, it will be uninstalled but for the meantime only. Because the moment you have the close all of this window and you need the moment you will restart your computer, okay, restart it. You just have to unplug the mouse adapter or your mouse USB adapter, unplugged it again in your laptop or computer, and there it will be installed automatically again in your Windows. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to leave the comment there at the comment box below if you have succeeded on fixing your problem. Okay? So enjoy using your mouse without any problem. Thank you and have a good day everyone.